Hey guys, in front of me here is the Fingerprint Smart Lock, specially designed for the frameless glass door. So you just clip it and screw it. No wiring required, and it's very easy to use. You can directly unlock it with fingerprint, card, or even passcode. The most powerful feature is you can unlock it by using your smartphone too. Okay, let's say you install this for your office glass door. So now, how are you gonna let your staff in? Here is the method. First, you can direct set and send this e-key to your staff to let them in. Or you can even set one-time password or time duration password for your staff. So what if you are install this door lock for your retail main glass door? Customer always in and out, right? Okay, right here, you can direct set the door in passage mode. Meaning the door is always unlocked and only locked after working hours, or just by setting it here. Okay, through these apps, it's very easy for you to add and delete user. See, you can also check the battery status and the access record here. Great, right? So ask me anything if you want.